says nothing was ever recorded. Let's do my little exercise. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Do you know why Girl Friday is doing exercise every night? Is to stay sharp. And we drink water. Water has been so good for me. If I didn't bathe in warm water and sleep in it, the update of the marketing industry would have never happened. You get me? So water is miraculous. I'm trying to play with my phone and see how they did it, because I'm that curious. Okay. If you need growth strategy and tactic to grow your business and learn how to sell anything to anyone, accessing their pain and give them pleasure, attend the Cat Got the Cream for the executive, connoisseur and investor in their growth. Today, you get to use the first ever hammer sell method in the world. Yes, unprecedented, never been done. Bye for now. Hi guys, it's Trisha. I just noticed something with the small business of the UK. I don't know if you want to hear it now or you ready for that news, because you know there's such a thing as people being ready for news or to hear something positive or negative. That's how people are basically. I am like this? No, I'm different. That's why people say I'm approachable, because me love people, but hey, that's life. That's not what I wanted to tell you. How to sell anything. Yeah, many people have difficulty selling their product and services. Yeah, many people will tell you you need to find the pain in people and provide the pleasure. Pain, pleasure. But people are attracted to different things. So you can bend yourself backward to achieve the sale, to be honest, until somebody is... Let me come closer. Yes. Until somebody is interested in your services or product, they will not access you. How do you make somebody, even if they have no interest, get interested in your business? That is the trick. And there's only one solution, is to get charismatic. You see? Because at Girl Friday, we know we have good solution for your business growth. We have 10-point action plan. We have 5-point action plan. We have prices for every UK businesses. And we even have global solution if you need global solution out there. We have the number one, and I dare say the number one sell sale method in the world. It wasn't there before, and now you have it. Also, hey, why not? We have updated the marketing industry in 3 places: sale, promotion, distribution channel. The marketing industry got a makeover. The last time a university student did anything in marketing for customer acquisition was in 1974, a long time ago. It took 53 years for Trisha Amable from Girl Fridays to update the entire marketing industry as a whole. Fuck me, I did it. How? One might say, meditation. Meditation was the key who permit me to update the entire marketing industry that needed it, therefore solving a problem. And now the industry can benefit of 25 cell theory, which wasn't there before. 25 cell theory. It benefits also from 2 huge books. One playbook for postgraduate students at university studying an MBA, and the manual for businesses. If you want to learn, try and tested strategies and tactics for your business growth, and actually learn to take action, intentional action in your business, you have the manual. Simple as this. Now, let me move my camera a little bit higher so you can see. Do you see me good? Do you see that name there? It's Girl Friday. Well, at Girl Friday, we are the best ever solution for your business growth. So I don't care if some hater thinks she's full of it. Well, I am full of it. Why? Because we did it. And we're proud of our achievement. You should be proud of your achievement and don't care about what other people think. Because the people who don't like you will be the most talking about you out there. Yeah, they wouldn't lift you up. That's one thing very important that you should learn, people. Don't follow crowd. Follow the right people who bring you up. And if you don't find anyone yet, look within. The solution is always there if you are confident. Now, if you want the number 1 growth strategy in the world, access the secret door. That's genius. Yes, that's fucking genius. Access the secret door on Girl Fridays